Good morning, crypto family. Hope you guys are having a lovely morning right now, and I hope you are loving this dip. Yes, the whole market is red right now. I believe Bitcoin reclaimed the $100,000 mark. As you guys see, we're down 12%. We are still a top 500 token. We're sitting at rank number 346, sitting at 2548. As you guys see, Bitcoin went over 100 grand to sit at 101 right now. Again, family, with this whole deep seek thing that's going on with the Chinese new chat GPT, I guess they spent about like $10 million to get that up and running, and with the whole tariffs that's going. But don't let that fool you. Do not let that, shake you out of your positions. I know most people are saying, man, I should have took some profits. I should have did this. I mean, family, I haven't took any profits, honestly, because I'm looking for the bigger picture. I'm looking at the bigger goal. Generational wealth, financial freedom. I'm not here for short gains. As what Gordon says, don't lose your capital going all in on every brand new coin that pumps. There will be plenty of big opportunities this year. You can't take advantage of them unless you have cash ready. So unless you have fiat ready or your liquidity to enter into the market, you're not going to be able to catch those dips. So like with this opportunity right now, of course, we're sitting at the 3100s for a while. Then we retrace down to the lower 2500s. But like what I say, the longer the base, the higher we will go into space. As you see, Crypto Rover, he says, with the most recent success of Trump meme coin, I think more and more new liquidity will flow into memes. Elon is one of them that has been skyrocketing recently in price and volume. At Dogelon Mars was one of the largest memes of last cycle, and I think a comeback is coming. So, as you guys know, Dogelon Mars all-time high on crypto.com was 403263. And we still need to break our old all-time high and create a new all-time high, and it is coming. Murad says a lot of people who are not public about it yet are starting to accumulate meme coins. The question is no longer, are meme coins here to stay, but how high can they go? I believe some meme coins will go even higher than Doge's all-time high of 94 billion. Excuse me. So you guys seen when Marco made a post saying that, if Dogelon Mars had Dogecoin's market cap and we were at 4 zeros, high 9,000s. That's just that. Yes, our all-time high on crypto.com, it was at 4 zeros, 3263. Now, don't get me wrong, high 4 zeros, high 9,000, like that's not bad. Don't get me wrong. Most of you guys will already be millionaires, or some of you guys will already be multi-thousandaires, up in the 100,000s, which is great. But at the end of the day, you guys only probably invested $1,000, $2,000 during this whole run. Even for the new retail investors that hop into the Dogelon Mars family, you guys probably accumulated that much. Again, you are seeing a lot of volatility right now, which is okay. The whole market is seeing that. The whole market is red. A lot of people made some gains. Yeah, they sold out and waiting to re-enter certain positions. Me, obviously, if you needed to finance because you're in a hard situation, for you taking those gains, there's nothing wrong with that as well. But just understand this, we haven't seen anything yet. With Donald Trump signing that executive bill, whereas, crypto is here to stay and no taxes on American-made digital assets, you may not understand how much people have liquidity at home, so much liquid cash that they're ready to inject it into cryptocurrencies. This is going to cause a massive shake in the market. I'm talking about tons of money is going to be flowing into the crypto market, like what you've seen in the stock market back in the 1900s. Okay, shout out to Dogelon Mars. He says the next upgrade to our Dogelon this AI system will be a giant leap in capability, exemplifying the creative capacity of humans using AI tools. And if you guys have not checked out the AI, this is Dogelon Mars AI. So make sure you guys give that a follow as well. Now, one of the biggest holders of Dogelon Mars says Mika passporting began today. And as you see here, we're proud to announce that today we've received full approval of our Mika license. Crypto.com is extremely proud to be the first major global crypto asset service provider to receive in principle approval of its Mika license. The license will enable the company to passport services across the EU under the new Mika regulatory framework family. So this is huge. So as you guys know, we were listed as a commodity last year. Everything is coming into play. Our position that we hold in Dogelon Mars, you may think it's not as much, but family, don't get it fooled. Imagine people trying to buy bunk right now. If you trying to buy a bunk, you can't even get 1 billion tokens at the prices where you seeing where Dogelon Mars is at right now. As you see, you thought it would be easy. You just buy a coin and it's smooth sailing all the way to 1000x. Only the worthy make big money in this game. You can't handle some little dips, you won't be here for the rips. So if you can't handle the little dips and you're crying and complaining, oh, I just put this such and such amount of extra dollars into this token and it seemed like it's dumping and why am I even here? I mean, family, you knew why you got here in the first place because you felt and know and you see all the information that is in front of you of why you invested into Dogelon Mars. Cointelegraph updated this. Ethereum has dropped nearly 7% over January, but market watchers say February and March have been historically bullish for the cryptocurrency. Will history repeat itself? Now, this would be totally major if we do repeat history, but we could have higher highs than what we've seen over the last years, family. Shout out to the self-made bull. I just realized that a lot of my crypto is thankfully United States based. This season is going to get crazy and I will be able to keep almost all of my gains. My over a year DCA hodl and work should bear fruit soon. My biggest bag being Elon. I've held since 2021. I'm ready to go to Mars. And as you see by Sal King Safi, we are made in USA. As you see here in the AI, yes, Dogelon Mars, Elon is made in the United States, family. So that's huge. So imagine this, we're able to keep our profits. No taxes on this token when we cash out. Now, again, of course, a lot of it's going to cash out once we, break our new all-time highs. But I am going to keep some, I'm gonna say it like this. I'm going to exit out probably like 30% of my holdings when we reach our new all-time high. Just to be able to sit lovely and be able to retire when I need to. But at the end of the day, I'm holding this token for the long run because I do potentially see us rising above a penny. And as you see, shout out to Crypto Dominance. Let's head to Mars together. And we definitely are. But this is what I want you guys to watch and understand this. I'm traveling for the next week, but just keep this summary at hand from this month's global macro investor. It is all noise. Calm down, touch grass, and please don't mess this up. As you see, 2025, the banana singularity, taking all of our work into consideration, we believe 2025 will be another good year for risk assets, and that we're still only in the early stages of the banana zone, which officially kicked off last year with global M2 breaking higher. We're going to echo what we've said in the past 20 20 to 30% corrections are completely normal. Expect them, embrace them, and if you are in a position to do so, use them as opportunities to add, then move on. So again, family, again, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm going to be reaccumulating these dips. These corrections that we're seeing right now, I mean, if you've been in the space since 2021, 2017, or even 2015, you should already understand what is going on in the markets. Hopefully, this has shed even more light on our current thinking around growth, inflation, liquidity, the Fed, and overall market dynamics, illustrating why we maintain our bullish stance for 2025. Rest assured, we'll be continually reviewing our views as the year progresses, as the data changes, so too will our views. For now, we remain very excited about what the future holds for us this year. So as you see here, next up, the banana singularity or phase 2 of the banana zone will probably just completed the correction after phase 1, and quarter 1 should be very strong indeed. Remember, the Treasury will draw down the TGA while the debt ceiling is in play and will drain the reverse repo, likely leading to an end of quarter 2. Then the Chinese will kick off their massive stimulus and the EU and UK will join in too. This is going to be the key feature of 2025. And as you guys know, crypto.com has already got their passport for the MiCA license and they're fully operational. Yes, Coinbase is one of the largest exchange, but you have to think about it like this as well. We are on one of the top largest exchanges in the world, which is crypto.com. So as you see here, Champagne Zhao advises crypto investors to focus on fundamentals, emphasizing patience and long-term strategy. He warns against chasing quick returns, stating, time will be on your side. Which fundamental token are you going to eye next? And you guys already know what we hold and what we've been stacking on, which is Dogelon Mars. So family, please, don't let this market shake you out. Don't let anything try to, kick you out to the curb, because I'm telling you guys right now, it's either you're with me or you're not with me. And I'm always going to be behind me. I'm going to stand behind me at all times. I have confidence in knowing what I hold. I have confidence in believing that I will become a multimillionaire. And for the viewers and families that is watching this channel, your time is coming. Don't get shaked out by this little smoke screen.